Okay, guys, welcome to my trading room. Today is March 15th, and I wanted to go over a trade made for Asian Open. So that's between 2 to 5 a.m. broker time, which would be 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. my time that I'll be trading. So to start, we'll just identify some areas. So over here, we had the Fed's talking about their interest rate. FOMC, Janet Yellen. That thing dropped this all the way down into the next zone that we have down here. It was ridiculous. So straight sell-offs, right? They increased the interest rate, so of course USD got stronger. Let me zoom in a bit. It's kind of difficult to see, but there's a ton of structure in here. So let's look at our other time frames first. See what happened. So obviously, it broke the uptrend that we had going on. Sorry about the messy charts, but yeah, uptrend is broken now. So what do? Okay, so now let's break down this time frame. So we got the 5-minute, tons of structure. So on the 5-minute, right, we get out of the downtrend and then we go into a temporary uptrend right here, right? And the uptrend, we create a new range over here, or the supply demand zone over here, supply demand over here, supply demand over here, right? And the little short uptrend that we do have, it hits it 3 times. Well, 1, 2, 3 before it breaks down and continues in the overall trend direction. As far as entries go, the first entry I did was a buy, right? And obviously it failed horribly, got stopped out right below this candle. So then I decided to reevaluate and look at what else is happening with this, right? So now let's move down to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, there's some beautiful structure. So again, 1 minute, 1, 2, 3 touches. Got a buy right around here, faked out. And then instead, what I tried to do was I tried to get in on the way down. So took some sells in this area, right? Got a sell over here, and then I got a picture of the sell limit right over here. So sell stop, sell limit. They both stopped at this range over here. I could have held them for longer, but I felt like it was going to go against me. It didn't, after it played out, because this was only what, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many minutes was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It only took 15 minutes for it to get that far, right? Okay. So anyway, we identify a little range over here, right? So it goes into the range, comes out, right, and then retests the lower. It retests the lower low that's being made after the direction change from up here, right? It retested that 1 time, 2 times, and it also retested the demand zone over here. The demand zone over here. After the retest, though, it continued on its downtrend, because as you can see, it's making lower highs and lower lows. The third touch was the breakout. So it's kind of similar to the uptrend over here, where if we don't count this, it would be the third touch would have been the breakout, right? Because it literally boom, broke out, retested, and then broke out. Higher lows, lower lows, right? And so after the breakout, it comes into our next demand zone down here. Right? Down here, it literally taps it, comes back to retest the prior low that we made, which is also a supply demand zone, and then it just hammers back down into the zone. I think retests are one of the best trades that you can take, especially when it hasn't been hit that much, right? Like this zone has only been hit 1, 2, break, so 3 times in total, right? 3 times in total is when this zone was hit. Because we also could have seen this. Move back up, right, or even move up to here before it breaks back down. But instead, it moved up here. I set up 2 sell limits over here, 2 one lots. I probably shouldn't have, but I was really confident in this position. In addition to that, like again, the overall trend it's down. It's down. So in order to make this trade better, I think I could have had some more patience, right? I could have had some more patience, reduce the lot size, and also, you know, catch this into the zone, right? Because there was no indication that this was turning even at this point, right? We had a little pullback and then it continued on the way down. Because if you take it in, these are all minute candlesticks, right? 60 seconds, and then it started moving on its way up. So I'm gonna turn my internet back on, and we'll see where it is right now. I am not sure. Yeah. So no big real change. No big real change, but that would be my ideal. Ideal setup.